on the beat.
Girl, I don't go. Do some medical check up the doctor, send me to Franco. Yeah. Now I wonder if there's a possibility we're gonna make you consider to come home.